we're talking, well, I'm talking about, and the people come in live, we're talking about the market, you know. And I want to keep this real today, guys. We're talking about something huge that's hitting the wires. If you know what I mean, we're talking about SpaceX, and it's going IPO on June 12th, right? You've probably seen the headlines. They're looking to go public as early, right? In terms of, like I said, June 12th. So when I say early, like I keep on getting on Robinhood, it comes up every social media platform I'm opening up. Everyone's talking about, yo, it's coming, it's coming. You know what I mean? So the buzz is obviously, this could be the largest IPO in history, in my opinion. First of all, let me disclaimer: I'm not a financial certified advisor. I'm just a dude in a hat talking about stocks, and I've been in the market since 2015, right? So this this SpaceX stock that's going public, bro, it could literally make Elon Musk mad trillion of dollars, probably the world's first trillionaire individual. You know what I'm saying? So what's the strategy? If you know, like I said in this segment, this part of my channel where I talk about where I go live on streams and I basically say like where I'm putting the money in the public portfolio on Robinhood, right? So my strategy is right now is that I'm not buying the IPO now. I'll mention what I'm buying to capture this sector. You know what I'm saying? So position yourself in that way. I would say, and I'm trying to take a different route instead of banking everything on that one big ticker symbol, which is basically SpaceX. I've been positioning the portfolio in the broader sense, like AI, not just semiconductors, not just space growth. Like I'm also, if you see on the in the public portfolio, which I share online, I'm in Elf Beauty. I'm still in Nike. You know, uh, what else am I in? Memory stock. So that's obviously the same AI. But I'm keeping the portfolio diverse. I'm still doing ETFs like VOO, SPMO, SCHD in there as well. Only because if this tech bubble, and guys, I'm sitting outdoors today because I just want to like feel the weather. I'm like you guys know, I recently moved to Florida, South Florida from New York City. So like I'm trying to have like different vibes, get my mindset differently. You know what I'm saying? So if you're looking at my current moves, right, and you guys know that I keep it real, right? I've opened smaller strategic positions in companies like BBAI. Now, I can't tell you what to buy all this, but BBAI is like, if you know me and you're following me, I'm in for the long term, right? Following the space sectors, I'm in Mars, MARS, ticker symbol, UFO. I just opened a smaller position in RWY, Redwire. See, for me, space is, it's like a new frontier for me. It's like back in the days, bro, when I used to watch Star Trek and all that crap. Guys, 15 guys in this chat. Salute to you guys, bro. Welcome, welcome. The wife is in the chat as well saying hi. Wellness with Sophie. I'm not trying to go heavy, and chase the hype like SpaceX. I will definitely buy some SpaceX, but in a couple of months, right? When that cool off happens. When I see because opening at 135, if you see my post on YouTube today, I said like who's in, who's not in SpaceX because Robinhood started sending the shit out, right? Like, hey, public access is coming. How many shares do you want? I think I'm gonna buy in when it dips to 100 and lower. But like I'm saying, I'm buying BBAI, I'm buying Mars, buying UFO, Redwire, ticker symbol RTW. Like I said, I want to be in this space. I'm not chasing the hype. I'm dollar cost averaging, DCA, right? If you guys don't know, welcome. That's DCA, dollar cost average, where every now and then I'm putting I'm investing money. So if I buy it for 100, for example, and it dips to 90, again, I put in the money. I'm not putting a whole bag in, right? And this is the part where I feel like we all should be focusing, right? Do your DD, your due diligence. Don't just follow the headlines because, we can get trapped in this shit. So when I look at the portfolio, which I'm doing right now, I'm going to turn over the camera and make you guys look what I'm doing at the portfolio. You know, my core philosophy is investing in evergreen companies, right? What does that mean? Like, just to some companies like I've been CRM, Salesforce. service now. Like these companies, even with AI, right? Uh, they're gonna grow. They're gonna be there for the long term, right? So this is what I mean, guys. Like when you build your portfolio, as if you're starting a portfolio today, just don't make it around SpaceX. Capture that sector. Capture like uh, like copper, silver. I'm not saying go out and buy those things, but look at these ETFs. Look at these companies who are actually supplying instruments to space, the components of space, right? And my public portfolio kind of shows all of you guys this, right? Yes, 100% stocks will dip. That's just the part of the game, bro. That's just part of the game. But you're looking at companies with value, with a mission, with a clear vision as well, right? Companies that like literally like no matter what, if the stock is down, but there's still revenue and profits are basically proving that they are a stable company. They're relevant to whatever pandemics or war, right? So build your infrastructure, your portfolio, right? Make it, make it recession kind of proof or pandemic proof or war proof or tech bubble proof, SpaceX proof. Get into place that you're gonna not get in and get out. Accumulate for the long term, and that consistently makes you richer in wealth, right? And you can definitely take a look at what I'm building with you guys on YouTube. Like it's full transparency. The things open. I'm showing you what I'm buying, what I'm selling, right? And the portfolio, I know, like honestly, bro, I get bored as well because discipline is boring. You know what I'm saying? So not just going out and getting healthy like to the gym or I start with boxing. The wife and I start boxing, but it's a slow thing. I'm not gonna see changes like ASAP. It's gonna take its time. You see what I'm saying? Bro, like this dog, bro. It's crazy. And then we got Pedro looking what's happening. That's Pedro. Like looking where the dog is. We got a little like doggy park down. Anyway, going back, I'm sure you guys can hear me, right? So if you want, don't forget to check my past videos out where you can see what plays and positions I'm buying. If I'm selling any stock, I share that. But if you guys want to link all my affiliate links for Robinhood, Moomoo is below. And also, if you want to, I'm not affiliated with anyone, and I just have my links. So if you use my links, I'll get something, you'll get something, full transparency. But what I'm trying to say is that no one paying me to do this, right? Paying myself. But long story short, bro, long story short, go in my past stream and see what I'm buying. And if that is any help or assistance to you to kind of work with your portfolio, leave a comment, right? Just say, bro, DD, do your due diligence, right? Just leave with the DD if I help you out. So yeah, man. I just want to say that, right? Don't get FOMO. Just focus on evergreen companies, right? I want to show you this, bro. I want to show you this. Okay. So this is the thing that I made. So basically, that's the chart, right? You can see the different colors: the blue, the green, the yellow, and so basically, why we're in these positions is because tech. So the blues, the tech, strong AI momentum, earning beats, you know. So we are energy undervalued with rising demand, finance. These are different colors, but I'm trying to say the group. Rate cycle, chain wheels, health. If you guys know in the public portfolio, I put Eli Lilly, the pharmaceutical, defense play, innovation, and obviously consumer, right? So like I said, brands like Nike, brands like Elf, right? So these are the ones that I want to tell you that I'm in, right? And bro, like you got to do what you got to do. Like I say, it's just, I'm not just a guy with a hat. Like I'm actually talking to you guys about if I started today as a beginner in my 20s, 30s, 40s, whatever, this is how the public portfolio, this is how a portfolio would look today, right? So that's what I want to say, guys. People make like Elon's getting mad rich with everybody's money. So why aren't we using our money to get richer, right? I need you guys really, really to focus. Just don't follow the headline, bro. Focus, focus. Right now, the public portfolio is at, give me a sec. So we're 10,816. 10,816. Right? There you go. That's the graph. That's you know. So do your DD, bro. Do your DD. I just wanted to come on today and tell you guys this, bro. 10,817 with $19 up, bro. Invest in these companies, like I'm saying, bro. Don't follow that crazy hype where everything you open on YouTube, everything's like SpaceX, bro. Look in these companies. And like I said, I can't advise you what to buy or hold this up, but look at these companies. Mars, ticker symbol MARS, UFO as in ticker symbol RDY, which is red wire. Look at BBAI as well. These are, if you want to get into some semiconductor place. And dollar cost average, bro, DCA. On that note, peace, one love. Subscribe, like if you want to do your thing, bro. If not, salute you. Keep making that money. Invest in yourself.